Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we will get to know how to change password on Asana. So just click here. Now click on my settings. Now you can see these are multiple options, but now we will click on account. Under the account tab you will find the password option. So just click on change password. Now here type the current password you are using. Now I am typing my current password. So after this you will add a new password that you want to change. So first of all we will type new password, then again confirm new password. So we are retyping new password. You need to type the same password in both column, then your password will be matched. Like I am typing the password on new password and this column. Now click on this save button and your password will be changed on Asana. So this is the simple way to change a password on Asana.